Number 5. Emu up to 1.9 meters tall and 60 kilograms. Australia's emus, Dromaeus novaeholandiae, are like a shaggier, slightly smaller ostrich. Number 4. Northern cassowary, up to 1.7 meters tall and 70 kilograms. Number 3. Southern cassowary, up to 1.8 meters tall and 85 kilograms. Number 2. Somali ostrich, up to 2.7 meters tall and 130 kilograms. The Somali ostrich, Struthio molybdophanes, was considered a subspecies of common ostrich until 2014, when it was assigned as a distinct species. Number 1. Common ostrich, up to 2.8 meters tall and 160 kilograms. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon.